Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your headphones Baseus Bowie H1 using your phone. And all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one, right here at the right ear cup. At the bottom of the right ear cup we have USB-C port, so connect it right here. And near to the port we see the LED light, meaning that your headphones are charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!